Okay, so what I have here is a device. For those of you that are perhaps struggling with the right hand roll, what I have here, I hope this shows up okay, is a dowel rod, and I've got some spools with another dowel rod. I drilled a hole and glued in a dowel rod, and then I put these little arrow points on. The one says I, the other says B, and this one up at the top, if you can see, says force, F. So when we look at the right hand roll, this is kind of the orientation, if you will, that these will be in. The force is always perpendicular to both B and I. All right, that force is always perpendicular to both B and I. So this is the orientation of the force. Now, if I take my right hand, point it in the direction of I, and with the palm of my hand, push it to line up with B, you'll notice my thumb points up, and that would be the direction of the force here, okay? Now, if I were over here, then when I do this, I crossed into B would give me a force downward, and so my force would actually be in this orientation, right? Like this. So that when I push with the right hand, I, with the palm of my hand to line up with B, my thumb goes this way, and the force is down. So if you're really struggling with that right hand roll, you might want to try to construct yourself something like this to work with, like a little model. To help you out with that. And I would be okay with you using this during the test if it's necessary. It'd be best if you could learn to do this without any kind of little handheld device, but if you need some kind of little model to help you get the direction of the force right, so be it, okay?